when you think you slicked enough, slick some more, because I promise it ain't slick enough. Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not new, girl with it too. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this sleek braided ponytail with 2 braids. Okay, we'll get into why I had to do 2 braids later on in the video. So yes, I'm not going to make this intro any longer than what it needs to be, so let's go ahead and hop straight into the video. I'm going to be using quite a few things just to make sure I'm getting the sleekest ponytail that I can possibly get. First are 2 brushes. I have my Pattern Beauty paddle brush and then the Pattern Beauty dual-sided brush. I have some clips, 2 rat tails. One is a little bit more finer than the other. A kind of medium wide tooth comb, if that's what you want to call it. I also have my edge care from Red by Kiss that has edge control in it, edge brush and edge comb on this end, and then the edge control here. I'm gonna use this at the end of the style to get everything nice and polished. Then I have my stylers. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use or if I'm gonna use like a combination of both of them, but I do have some olive oil eco gel along with this Black Castor Miracle braid lock and twist gel from African Pride. I don't know if I'm gonna use the gel because my hair has been blow dried and flat ironed, and I don't want the gel to revert my hair back curly, so I'm not sure. But that's why I got this, because this stuff does not revert my hair back and it actually holds. Then I got some rubber bands, bobby pins, some scrunchies, and the most important part, I got the hair, girl. I have the Model brand. It's their Transformation Natural Touch braiding hair. It's been pre-stretched, and this is just some hair I had laying around in my closet, so I'm just using what I got. Each bundle is 20 inches, but I'm gonna be like doing a feed-in method to make the braid longer because we want a nice long braid. So those are my tools. That's everything I'm gonna be using, and now we can go ahead and get straight into the style. Just start by detangling my hair, making sure everything is nice and tangle free so we can get a smooth look. Now, I've been going back and forth with myself on if I want a part or not. And I feel like I want a side part. I feel like a side part would be cute, but also, I don't know. I think it's giving side part, you know? I think that's just what it's giving. So we're gonna do a side part. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. Okay, I like that. I like. I'm gonna just section my hair into 3 sections. 1, 2, and then the back is gonna be 3. And we're gonna smooth and all that good stuff in sections. This is my first time doing this style, y'all, so bear with me. But I've watched plenty of tutorials, like so many tutorials. It's crazy. So I feel like I could do it. I'm gonna take about this much of the product, rub it in, and just kind of set it on the hair. Make sure you don't forget that kitchen. Right, now I'm taking the brush. It has a hard side and then a softer side. I'm gonna take the softer side because I think I got a little tender head. So just brush that on through. Ooh, I feel like it's doing what needs to be done. Now this is the difficult part, just figuring out where I want my ponytail to lay. I don't want it like too low, but I also don't want it super duper high. So I think I'll put it like right here. Yeah, I think that'll be cute. You know, and then the braid just come down like that. I think that's cute. So with this product, this African Pride gel, I'm finding that I need to make sure I like really massage it into the strand so that it doesn't leave like a cast or any residue. So I just added more on my hair because I felt like it could be a little bit more sleek. And my arms hurt. Ooh, girl. Okay, I feel like I have it to a place where it's all right for right now. So I'm gonna just take a scrunchie and wrap it around loosely, not too tight, probably just twice, because this isn't the final ponytail. It's just hold into place. I'm gonna smooth out the rest of the sections and we'll be back to continue. Okay, so I pretty much have the base down as far as product and all the sections and stuff like that. And everything is pretty much smooth. So I'm just gonna do my little final touches before putting the scrunchie on there for the final ponytail. Really just comb everything through. This requires some elbow grease, girl, but you can do it. You can do it. Girl, and when you think you slicked enough, slick some more, because I promise, it ain't slick enough. Mine is not slick enough still. Alright, somewhere along the way, I formed a little bit of bumps right up here. Child, I'm hot. Okay, I think my ponytail is good for right now, girl. Sweat. Oh my gosh. And the ponytail look jacked up. Okay, we're gonna have to fix this. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna fix this ponytail, be right back so that we can add the braided hair. Hold on, girl. Okay, so I redid the ponytail. I smoothed this side out. Now I'm about to get to this side. I'm just going in with my edge fixer from Kiss Colors and Care. I believe this one is the Cherry Blossom. Now my ponytail is not perfect, okay? Because I'm not perfect. So there's that. It has character to it, you know? But we're gonna get it as sleek, as smooth as we can get it. And that's all we can do. I end up having to take the ponytail holder out again because I just done smoothed out some bumps. When I tell you this is a process, girl, this is a process. But she's coming along. Like, look, my face looking snatched. Okay, the hair is coming along. Ooh, girl, look. We doing it. And we putting her right back on. I think we're good. I think we got a good foundation going. Now, this stuff is optional. Doing your edges, but I'm gonna do mine before I put my scarf on to set everything because, you know, we like a little edge action over here. I have 2 bundles on this one. They are color 4. I need to get my braiding hair in color 4 because that's closer to my natural hair color. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I feel like I need to combine these 2 packs because I have a lot of hair, okay? My hair is really dense. And one bundle is just kind of, I don't know, it's kind of thin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scrunchie and I'm going to put it over the hair. Can y'all see that? Take it through and loop this up and just pull. I hope y'all were able to see that and get the picture. So now we have it like this. And I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail from the top. So I'm going to place it on top. And then I'm going to just take my hair through the scrunchie and wrap it around twice. Okay. We want the hair to be on top like so. I don't know if y'all can see that. I really hope you can, girl. I'm trying, okay? I'm really trying. Section in 3 sections. And I'm gonna just start to braid. This is huge, bro. Okay, let me relax. I'm yelling. I really feel like this braid is really huge. Like, what y'all think? Nah, this ain't it. Oh, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this into 2 sections, okay? Only because I don't know how to figure this out, okay, with just all of my hair. So So instead of doing one braid, we're gonna do 2 braids. I've seen this done during my research of people doing this style, and some people do 2 braids, some people do 4 braids. So we're about to do 2 braids, all right? Because 1 braid, no ma'am. I know y'all saw it. Like, comment below if you would have continued with that super big old braid like that. No, that won't work for me. I think this is a much better size of braid for me. I like this size of braid a lot better than what was happening before. This is the braid so far. What y'all think? I really don't know what it looked like because I have not looked at the back like that. Hit it with a blow dryer real quick. Now I have some hot water and I'm gonna just dip the ends of the braids just to seal them. Okay, braids are not perfect, okay? So they got little bumps and dents, but that's okay. It's character in there, you know what I'm saying? It tells my story because I had a time putting these braids in. Take the scarves off. You know it's gonna be good and slick when the scarf kind of sticks to the hair a little bit. That's how you know. Oh, it's kind of cute. I don't know, what you think? I tried my best. I did my hardest work, especially slicking down this ponytail. So what do you think? As promised, I'm gonna show you guys how this edge care works. So, Red by Kiss came out with these edge cares, which I probably should have cleaned my edge brush. Girl, do not forget to clean your edge brush because it can get a little crazy up in there. But what it is, it's this all-in-one tool, to be honest with you. You have the brush, you have the comb. You can use this piece as a rat tail to get you a little parting situation going on. And if you untwist this, you have a spatula, and edge control is in this little contraption piece right here. Isn't that so neat and so convenient? Like, you just grab this, throw it in your bag for the evening, and if you need to retouch your edges throughout the night, you just do that. Like, this is so easy. This is the sweet peach scent. It smells so good. But girl, that's all you do. That's how it works. Put it on them edges, and then you just good to go. Like, instant retouch. Show you again. Let me show you again, girl. Show you again. And then I'm gonna just curl that piece. And you just throw it in your bag and you go do what you need to do. So here you have it. This is my hair, girl. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Me just trying out this little braided ponytail style. This style has been around for a very long time, so it's definitely nothing new. However, the 2 braids to me was new when I discovered it a few days ago. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on it. So drop some comments down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified each time girl posts a new video. More hair videos on the way. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I will definitely catch y'all in my next one. Bye, girl.